Hello everyone, welcome back. And if you're new here, then I'm Sushmita and you're watching Indian Beauty Queen channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show how you can apply affordable makeup under just 200 rupees. Recently, I have uploaded a video of this mehendi design trick using comb trick. So if you're interested, I will provide the link in the description box. You can check it out. If you are new here, then do subscribe and click that bell icon to get notified about all my latest beauty updates. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified about all my latest videos. First of all, I'm going to apply moisturizer to my face. So for that, I'm using Himalaya baby cream, but you can also use any moisturizer that suits for your skin type. And I will provide all the details regarding every product in my description box with the links. And next I'm going to tone up my face. So for that I'm using a toner, but you can also use a rose water as a toner. Just pat it dry. Next I'm using NY by primer. This is a silicone based primer. This is really very good primer in affordable range. So this primer helps to fill up all your pores and your makeup lasts for a long time. Next I'm using a Lakme Invisible Finish foundation, and this is of the shade 04. So dot it all over your face and neck. So this is also affordable foundation. Next I'm going to use my foundation brush, and this is from generic and I bought it from Amazon. It's really blends very nicely. It blends my foundation very quickly and nicely. So I'm going to blend it. You can even use damp beauty sponge. So next I'm using concealer, liquid concealer from NY Bay. So apply this concealer under your dark circles and where you're having darkness on your face. With the help of same foundation brush, I'm going to blend this concealer. Next I'm going to use my wet beauty sponge so that application will become more easy. Finally setting my makeup by using a loose powder. Here I'm using Johnson's baby powder. I'm not applying all over my face, just applying on T-zone area where I'm having oiliness on my face. To fill my eyebrows, I'm using ADS eyebrow pencil. Actually, this eyebrow pencil is very affordable and it really works great in affordable range. So I used to use my this eyebrow pencil to fill my eyebrows. Next I'm using Stay Quickly kajal to apply this on my waterline. This kajal is really very pigmented. Next I'm using Elle liquid matte lipstick, just dotting it on my eyelid area to apply my eyeshadow. Just dot it, and with the help of fingers I'm blending it. Just dab it like this, and with the help of eyeshadow brush I'm going to smudge this evenly. So repeat this process for other eye also. Here I'm using Maybelline sketch eyeliner and drawing it on my upper lash line. So I'm just applying a liner like this, not creating any wings, simply I'm drawing a line. Next I'm using Wet n Wild mascara. Next I'm going to contour my nose. Just I'm contouring my nose by using NY contour stick. This is really very creamy in texture and blends very nicely. You need not use any makeup brushes to blend it, just you need to blend it with the help of your fingers. So again I'm going to apply this and blend it nicely with the help of my fingers. Next I'm applying a liquid concealer to highlight that particular area. So you can see the difference. Next I'm going to use Himalaya lip balm. Next I'm applying a lighting lipstick, and I will provide the shade details in my description box. So I have done applying my lipstick. Now finally I'm going to use a makeup fixing spray that is from NY, and finally I'm going to set my makeup using damp beauty blender. So this is my makeup look. Hope you found this video to be helpful, and if you like my channel then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next video, see you. Bye.